The dedication of India is unmatched when it comes to providing a healthy living for its citizens. Along with adequate health infrastructure, the nation has also focused on the growing opportunities for manufacturing medical devices in the country. To gain more insights about India's medical device industry, PBNS had a detailed conversation with the Chief Executive Officer of Collateral Medical Private Limited, CEO Nikhilesh Tiwari.
But of course, we are seeing tremendous kind of activity right now, both from the government side as well as the private sector. And I think the outlook is very good. So we will see more and more action in the medtech space.
India is among the top 20 markets for medical devices worldwide, and the sector comprises large multinationals and small and mid-sized companies. CEO Nikhilesh highlighted the core medical devices manufactured in the country.
India is a leader in a lot of medical consumables, like things like sutures, syringes, a lot of medical consumables. Those are the areas that have been kind of a strong kind of strength of India, like both from the domestic use, even from the export point of view. In fact, we have been kind of leaders, and we outshine even China in some of those segments. Simply because we have a fantastic edge in terms of scale, in terms of our production capabilities, in terms of the overall the efficiencies around that. We are good. I mean, same thing like when it comes to sutures. Okay, like I was with J&J earlier. Almost like 90% of sutures are made in India. Similarly, if you look at like the other companies like Haldiam, like they're pretty vertically integrated. They make everything in house. So wherever we are, nobody, like even companies like from Swiss or like the rest of Europe and all, they would not stand in front of India in those sectors. So we really dominate where we have been able to kind of do good work over the years. So there is no reason why we cannot replicate that in other markets.
In India's medical device industry, there has been continuous momentum in the flow of incentivized investments. Further, the export scenario is expected to increase at a compound annual growth rate of 29.7% to reach Rs 70,490 crores in 2025. CEO Nikhilesh explains more about the rising demand for Indian medical devices.
But there is a increasing demand of medical products, and I think India stands to gain out of that by actually investing into high quality production and low cost production, because that gives us an edge over others. The cost of production in China has been increasing. We have a captive, a large market over here which can serve, and again that also can be taken to the whole world, and we stand to gain in a big way.
To promote the medical device industry, the government has initiated several measures like the development of medical parks and PLI schemes. During this outbreak, the Indian government has also played a major role in helping not just its citizens, but also providing help and aid across the globe.
As a reliable supplier to the world, and as a kind of a compassionate country which believes in the overall global goodwill, I think the government did a phenomenal job in making sure that the access to both medicines and vaccines and the devices is there, and it has been helping everything and all. I think it's a commendable job. We need to kind of become a larger kind of a player or a supplier, and I think we can help more people I think next time around. So we should do more and more work. So most of these initiatives are kind of very new, so in fact some of them, like setting up the medical device parks, is new. I think only AMTZ has come further away, but all the new tech parks will take some time. Similarly, like the PLI schemes, again are in early stage. There have been, I'm told, almost about 30 kind of applicants who are in the process of getting clearances and all.
The healthcare and medical device sectors have grown significantly in the last decades, and various efforts have been laid to boost domestic production in this sector.
The other important thing is that, when we are buying, we should actually look for things which are Indian. Quite often what happens that when you go for buying the products, at the hospitals and all, quite often they would look for either something which is US FDA approved only, or something which is cheap, and suddenly they look for something which is Chinese, for a short time and all. So those things have to be also addressed. What we have to do is we need to have a good enough product. The desire to always have the best and all is a problem. Say if you want to get suppose a stent done or a surgery done, you cannot just go always to the best center or the best doctor. There's only one best doctor or whatever, few. Fact of the matter is you just require a standard care.
CEO Nikhilesh Tiwari also described how the entire medical industry has worked round the clock to provide essentials across the country during this unprecedented crisis?
The pandemic has been a really great, I would say, a tough time for most of the medical device industry. And again, there were two different sides of medical device industry. One side is that which is trying to supply the products which are needed. Say, for example, these thermometers, these infection prevention products, ventilators, BiPAPs, oxygen concentrators and all. And the other side, which is struggling because suddenly there is a kind of, like a dearth of surgeries because hospitals are not able to perform any surgeries. So if you look at the medtech size, there have been people who have benefited or who have been able to serve, and people who have to actually just wait and for the economy to revive. But from that side, for example, for us, there was a time, especially during the second wave, we could barely get in. Like the entire team was working around the clock. We could get only few hours of sleep just to kind of make sure that we are able to source the right products in time. The oxygen concentrators was such a huge challenge.
India's medical device industry is boosting at a tremendous pace, and with the help of innovative skill upgradation and enhanced policy frameworks, India is set to become a hub of medical device manufacturing. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.